You know what's crazy? Most people clear coat their car thinking they're protecting it, and they are. But there's one mistake that almost everybody makes, and it's actually doing the opposite. It's destroying your clear coat little by little every single time. And the worst part, it looks totally fine at first. You won't even notice it until it's too late. I've seen it happen on brand new cars. I've seen it happen on freshly detailed paint. So whether you are a professional or a DIY, or you're about to spray clear for the first time, you need to watch this whole video. Drop a like right now. Have you ever clear coated a car before and thought, why does my clear coat look like orange? Let's see how many of us have been making this mistake without even knowing it. And I know sometimes you spray clear, sit back and think, your eyes go straight to the gun and think, maybe if I just had a better gun. Nah, you could have the most expensive spray gun on the planet and still end up with orange peel all over your clear coat. The real cause, your technique. That's it. But here's the thing. A good gun does matter. It can improve your finish, so it's not one or the other. Good technique plus a good spray gun, that's when you get that flawless finish. Okay, so we in it now. First pass of clear going down right now. You see that? Just flowing. I'm not rushing. I ain't trying to be a hero on this first coat. And listen, I don't care if you got a $700 spray gun sitting in your hand right now. That thing ain't gonna save you. I'm serious. You could have the most expensive gun in the game and still lay down a mess if your hand ain't right. The gun don't spray itself, bro. So what you need to trust right now is not the gun, it's your hand, your movement, your control. That's what's doing the work. Just steady, just smooth. Watch the gun. See how I'm moving? That's it. Nothing crazy. First pass is just about getting that surface wet. That's all. We're not trying to build nothing yet. Just vibing through it right now. Let her breathe. Okay, so while that first pass is flashing off, let me talk to you about this clear coat right here. This is what we're working with today. Now, before I even mix this thing, I did something that shockingly most people don't do. I read the instructions. I know. Nobody got time for that, right? Because everybody online is out here saying 2-to-1, 4-to-1, mix it like this, mix it like that. Bro, where did you get that from? Because every single clear coat is different. The ratio on this one is not the same as the one your boy on YouTube used last week. So when you buy your clear coat, flip it around, go to the back, and actually read it. Like really read it. Not just glance at it, read it. Because that alone can make a massive difference in how your clear coat lays down, how it flows, how it hardens, everything. And another thing, before you even think about mixing, check your product. Shake it, look at it, make sure it ain't separated or sitting funny, because you don't want to find out something's wrong after it's already on the car. Trust me, know your product before your product embarrasses you. All right, we back. First pass flashed off, nice, looking good. And now we going in for that second coat. And this is where it starts to get real. See that first pass we laid down? That was just us showing up. That was just us saying, hey, we here. The second coat right here is where we actually mean it. Now, I'm not gonna stand here and lecture you about technique for 5 minutes because honestly, you should already be feeling it by now. Your hand knows. But what I will say is the second coat is a completely different conversation from the first one. First coat was light, easy, we was just kissing the surface. This one, we building. You'll see the difference the moment it hits the panel. It's wetter, it's fuller, it's got more to say. And while you're spraying this one, you gotta start watching the panel. Like actually watching it, because this is where people get caught slipping. You start seeing certain areas looking a little dry, certain areas looking a little too wet. Your eyes need to be locked in right now. The panel is talking to you, you just gotta listen. See how this is laying down right now? That shine starting to come through? That's what we want. That's the panel telling you, yeah, we good, keep going. But the moment you see it starting to sag or run, that's the panel telling you, bro, chill out, you're doing too much. And that's the beautiful thing about clear coat, honestly. It'll let you know. You just gotta pay attention. First coat was the introduction. This second coat right here is where the real relationship starts. Okay, so we're letting that second coat flash off right now. You see how it's looking a little patchy in certain spots? Don't panic. That's normal. That third coat is gonna come in and fill all those microscopic imperfections you're seeing right now. Just let it breathe. Don't touch it. Let the flash off do its thing. All right, third coat. This is it. This is the one that ties everything together. You see how that second coat flashed off? Looking way better already, right? But this third coat right here, this is the one that's gonna make or break everything. This is the closer. This is the coat that's gonna determine whether you're proud of this job or whether you're out here avoiding eye contact with your own car in the driveway. And I want you to understand something about this coat specifically. This ain't the time to get excited and go crazy. A lot of people mess up right here because they see how good it's already looking and they start feeling themselves a little too much. They go in heavy, they go in fast, thinking they're about to make it perfect. And that's exactly how you end up with runs and sags on your final coat. On your last one. After all that work, this coat is the one that seals the deal. Everything we did before, that first light pass, that second coat building it up, all of that was leading right here. So I'm going in smooth, I'm being intentional, and I'm watching this panel like a hawk because I am not redoing this. You see how it's flowing right now? See how it's just melting in? That's what we've been working towards this whole time. That shine coming through, that depth. That's not the gun doing that. That's everything coming together. The prep, the product, the patience. All of it showing up right now in this third coat. This is the moment right here.